Okay, good morning mga kabuchi. So today we are on week number 4 of our garden diary for the year 2025. So this time we are going to feature our philodendron garden mga kabuchi, since as I've said before mga kabuchi, we will be alternating our vegetable garden and our philodendron garden. So mga kabuchi, today we are going to feature our black cardinal mga kabuchi. So this is the first black cardinal that I bought mga kabuchi. It's around 1,300 mga kabuchi. But when I bought this one mga kabuchi, this looks so beautiful mga kabuchi. But because we are not that expert mga kabuchi in terms of taking care our black cardinal mga kabuchi. So this is what it happens, how it looks like mga kabuchi after 2 years of our care mga kabuchi. So for you to really understand what I mean mga kabuchi is that when I bought this one mga kabuchi, it looks like this mga kabuchi. So this one mga kabuchi, so the leaves are very big mga kabuchi. So this is how, actually it's more beautiful than this mga kabuchi when I bought the other black cardinal mga kabuchi. But then, sad to say mga kabuchi, it's very unfortunate that it turned like this after 2 years mga kabuchi. Supposed to be, this is super big na. But then, right now, it's still struggling, and look at these leaves mga kabuchi. So we are about to lose this leaf mga kabuchi. Ay mga kabuchi, it's super sad. Yeah, super sad. Mahal halata dyan siya mga kabuchi. Dari mga kabuchi. Lata dyan siya Something is wrong dyan So, I'll put na lang siguro something here mga kabuchi. Sama dyan siya mga kabuchi. So, mao dyan na siya mga kabuchi. How it happens mga kabuchi. So, let's check mga kabuchi kung leaf na ba ang kuan ano niya. Issue. Very sad mga kabuchi, no? So, after 2 years, this plant here, our black cardinal, still struggling and is about to lose a leaf again mga kabuchi. So, I don't know how to improve the plant mga kabuchi. And then mga kabuchi, we also have our another black cardinal. But before this mga kabuchi, I think we lost 2 black cardinal died mga kabuchi, and then we buy another one. And this one mga kabuchi, supposed to be we have 2 plants that like this. So once again mga kabuchi, when I bought that one mga kabuchi, it looks like this one. And then slowly the health of the plant deteriorated. At least mga kabuchi, unlike the 2 other black cardinal, this one did not die, but it's back to its juvenile form mga kabuchi. So hopefully mga kabuchi, we are getting the right way, we did the right thing on taking care of this black cardinal this time mga kabuchi. And then this is, I think, 5 to 6 months old mga kabuchi. And it loses another leaf again mga kabuchi. Kani. So the health of this one is still deteriorating. We never learned our lesson mga kabuchi. But at least mga kabuchi, this one still look good mga kabuchi. Though it loses 2 leaves already. One, this one. And the other one is this one mga kabuchi. So mauna yan lost. But we have a new leaf here mga kabuchi. So, we're getting hope na mga kabuchi. So, what went wrong mga kabuchi? Number 1 is during planting of the black cardinal mga kabuchi. When planting the black cardinal, actually this one was planted by my sister and the other one. So when you plant the black cardinal mga kabuchi or any plant mga kabuchi, you have to ensure that the roots are good. If there are bad roots mga kabuchi, you have to cut it down because it will kuan magud mga kabuchi cause illness. So after cutting down the bad roots mga kabuchi, you have to apply something, some medicine. In our case mga kabuchi, we just apply aloe vera mga kabuchi to ensure that the wound caused by cutting mga kabuchi will thoroughly okay, cured mga kabuchi. So after that mga kabuchi, you have to ensure that when planting, all of the roots mga kabuchi are properly spread. If it's not spread mga kabuchi, then the plants will have a hard time growing mga kabuchi, just like that one mga kabuchi. Because when the seller ship you the plant mga kabuchi, we are going to pack the roots together mga kabuchi, as in kuan jud siya mga compress. They're going to compress the roots mga kabuchi to save spaces mga kabuchi in your shipment, in your package mga kabuchi. So my sister will just remove the pack mga kabuchi and then put the plant mga kabuchi in the pot. So I think that is wrong mga kabuchi, and this when I did the planting mga kabuchi like this one mga kabuchi, we only got few roots on this one. I think one single root remained mga kabuchi. The rest were taken out because they are starting to rot mga kabuchi. And then when I plant, I make sure that I spread that single root mga kabuchi all around mga kabuchi. So this is the result mga kabuchi, though we have few leaves mga kabuchi that were taken out mga kabuchi, but it's different scenario manggod mga kabuchi. These plants manggod mga kabuchi supposed to be all leaves are intact mga kabuchi after 3 months, but then when I try to take this one out mga kabuchi, so we have the chickens and the cats damaging this plant mga kabuchi. That is why 2 leaves were rotten na mga kabuchi. But then after 3 months good of planting this one mga kabuchi, this looks so good good mga kabuchi. So it's really important mga kabuchi to understand that when you are going to plant mga kabuchi, you have to ensure that the roots yun mga kabuchi is properly spread so that it will be easy for them to develop mga kabuchi. Of course, aside from the quality of your soil mga kabuchi, where most vloggers mga kabuchi already explained the contents of the soil mga kabuchi for philodendron. So may additional tips mga kabuchi when planting the philodendrons is ganito lang siya. Make sure that you are going to check every root of the plant mga kabuchi. Remove the rotten area, put something mga kabuchi that to ensure that the wounds because of the cutting made mga kabuchi where it will be cured mga kabuchi. So in my case, though there are nakalimot ko mga kabuchi, there are medicines or something that you can apply. I think a cream. There's a cream for that mga kabuchi which you can buy mga kabuchi. So you can use that one, but in our case mga kabuchi, we're just using the aloe vera. So for this week mga kabuchi, our feature will only be about our black cardinal, mga kabutchi. So, in this area, mga kabutchi, we have 3 black cardinals, mga kabutchi. 2 black cardinals died. And then, I have another 2 over there, mga kabutchi. The other one is healthy. The other one is not because we forgot to put water, mga kabutchi. We forgot to ensure that the plant also have enough water, mga kabutchi. So sometimes mango, these plants doesn't like water, mga kabutchi. So you only have to put in enough water, or else the roots will also be spoiled, mga kabutchi. So this plant is very sensitive, mga kabutchi. We are still trying to improve the way on how we take care of these plants, mga kabutchi. So hopefully, mga kabutchi, by next year, we can have this plant. We can already grow this plant. Hala, i-remove na lang kayo na ako, mga kabutchi. No, nagtungay-tungay na malang. Kawawa. Kawawa. Ay, ay. It's rotten na jud, mga kabutchi. Oh. So, i-remove na lang na ako, mga kabutchi. I'll just put siguro na lang kung ano lang, something na lang diri, mga kabutchi, no? So, this is a rotten plant, mga kabutchi. Very sad, no? We lost again another leaf of our black cardinal. So, if you are an expert on taking care of our black cardinal, you can comment tips, mga kabutchi, so that we can improve our way of taking our plants, mga kabutchi. So, but I am very confident, mga kabutchi, that cardinal, mga kabutchi, that black cardinal is going to be better than the other 2, mga kabutchi. So, this is the end of our video, mga kabutchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.